Muthee Ndegenye has been thrown into deep mourning. He has sadly lost his father figure, someone who was like a dad to him. Muthee Ndegenye says this is a man who took care of him as if he were his own son, and he took to his social media pages to share the sad news and also penned this painful and last message and tribute to his dad, akiuga. After my friend Collins Munene, who is currently admitted at Outspan Hospital Nyeri, got me a job at Narumoru Juakali sector, I had to go by the saying, "Ndukanarigithie mũrango kiuma." I had worked for 1 good year as a shamba boy at Mr. Laban's vicinity. I informed him 1 month before that I'll be quitting for greener pastures to Narumoru. This is what he told me. "Muriuki, tondu nĩ wandutĩra wĩra wega tarĩ waku, warĩithia ng'ombe tarĩ ciaku. Niĩ nĩ ndakuohora ũthiĩ ũgathereme. Ũgacoka haha kũngeithia ũteithĩtie aciari aku na wĩna gakari ta karĩa gakwa," pointing ngari yake alikuwa amepark. "I've just received a call that Mr. Laban, who was my first boss after high school, is no more. He has gone to be with the Lord. It could be my wish to go back as he told me and say hi, but that wasn't God's plan. Dad, you took care of me like your son. I loved you. You encouraged me. Sometimes you could add me salary. May God be with you where you've gone. May he give your family peace. R.I.P, Dad." Muthee Ndegenye augĩte Mr. Laban nĩwe warĩ mũndũ wa mbere kũmũhe wĩra, nĩ wamũnyitĩrĩire after high school. He gave him a job kũrĩa arutaga wĩra as a shamba boy kwa Mr. Laban until nginya rĩrĩa ahotire kuona wĩra ũngĩ mwegega, and that's where he left. Na Mr. Laban nĩatigire amwĩra one day nĩagacoka amũcokerie ngatho na agoka ekuĩte na ngari yake ateithĩkĩte atheremete, and that was a blessing that he sent out to Muthee Ndegenye. Now indeed God has been faithful to Muthee Ndegenye, but now sadly Mr. Laban has passed away, and Muthee Ndegenye only wishes he could get one last chance to say hi to him, but he has sadly passed away. May God be with the family. Our condolences to Muthee Ndegenye, to the entire family of Mr. Laban. May God comfort them during this hard time. Na Mr. Laban arohuruka thayo. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.